Hi everyone, welcome to ZKTeco India. Myself Manjunath. Today I am super excited to show our brand new product ProBG8000 Series. This is a premium boom barrier designed for smooth and effective vehicle access control. Right from the first look, you can notice solid build quality and sleek design, making it suitable for all the premises. It comes with several impressive features such as powerful servo motor, 10 milli life cycle, it has customization RGB color and operation speed will be 0.3 to 0.6 seconds and it comes with IP54 rating. Its anti-collision nature with pull-off functions and prevent damage during accidental impacts. And it is ideal for high traffic area like toll plaza, shopping mall, apartments, factories, school, hospital, etc. Another best part is it is fully compatible with various parking systems like UHF reader, new UHF 412 and LPR camera and as well as ticketing machines. Overall, the ProBG8000 series is a powerful solution for effective parking management. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next video.